Hello everyone. Today I'll show you exactly how to get free trial access to SAP Analytics Cloud. It is a simple process that just takes a few minutes. Let me walk you through it step by step. First, I am searching for SAP Analytics Cloud trial. I'll click on the first result, which takes us to the official SAP product page. There is a clear call to action button that says try now. On clicking the button, a pop-up appears. Enter a valid business email here. After entering the email, click next to proceed. Now fill in the personal details including first name, last name, country and other required information. At the bottom, there is a checkbox to agree to the terms and conditions. Once all fields are completed, click submit to register. The system now shows a message asking us to check our email. This usually arrives within a few minutes. Here is the email from SAP. I'll click on Activate Your Account link to continue the setup process. Clicking the activation link takes us to the password setup page. Here we need to create a secure password for our SAP account. Make sure to use a strong password that meets SAP security requirements. After setting the password, we see a pop-up that says Welcome to SAP Analytics Cloud Basic Trial. This screen shows us three important pieces of information: the direct link to the SAP Analytics Cloud, our user ID and password. Make sure to note these down as you will need them to log in. Finally, let's test our access. I'll click on the SAC link, enter the username and password we just received, and success! We are now logged into SAP Analytics Cloud with full trial access. That is it. You now have free trial access to SAP Analytics Cloud for exploring all its powerful features. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more SAC content. Stay tuned.